Gears up. Rear wheels off.
Rear wheels off.
Gear away.
Gear already.
Think the flight crew. No, that's the gear up.
Yeah. Well, that's the gear closed.
Touch of correction.
Quite a bit of correction actually. Wind's banking us left, pushing this left wing down. So it goes that way and he pushes against it.
Club base is low today.
About 2,000 foot now, 3,000 maybe. Thermal activity of a glider is turbulence to a plane this size. Clouds flying.
Flaps in.
Yeah, flaps to full efficiency.
Banking north.
Banking left.
Yeah, turn north. Yeah. Maybe at 5, 6, maybe 7,000 feet. Might look at the land and then bring my head in.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew has now been released to commence their duties. Would like to remind you that the seatbelt signs are still on, so please do remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs above your head have been switched off. We suggest whenever seated you keep them loosely fastened. And just to remind you that smoking is not permitted at any time during today's flight.
Even though the cabin crew are wandering around.
Very shortly we will be giving you the opportunity to buy something to eat and drink from our easy kiosk. We have a selection of sweet and savoury snacks including muffins, Kit Kats, Pringles and a choice of fresh baguettes. To drink we have coffee, tea, hot chocolate and a full range of cooler bar drinks. Details of our products and prices can be found in our summer collection brochure which you'll find in the seat.